Model KL1224. Intelligent Flexo printing, slotting, die cutting, inline folding, gluing, countering, ejecting machine. From the market research, the demand of packaging for the beer, mineral water, and beverages is increasing, while the corporate labor cost is growing rapidly. That makes the carton machinery automatic and intelligent become the inevitable trend. It's one machine all in line. Contains pre-feeding, printing, slotting, die cutting, folding, gluing, countering, turning post square, automatic strapping, Robert palletizing, and ground transportation. One stop completes the whole process from paperboard to carton and the following packaging. Machine features. Adopt advanced technologies from Europe and America. Full set of electronic control system from Europe and Japan. Centralizing computer system and multiple languages operating system. Able to connect ERP. CNC control. Precision transmission. Printing units with vacuum transfer system. Slotting unit. Pre-creaser, big creaser, and accurate creaser, ensuring the best quality of carton shape. Equipped with inverter and servo motor speed compensation. Ensure perfect die cutting effect and extend the service life of roller anvil cover. Adopt U.S.A. Valco automatic glue spraying system. It can glue on both sides. Servo motor controller, the counter ejector. It can track, feedback, and correct in time. Ensure the control setting is accurate. Following process in line. Turning post conveyor, square unit, automatic strapping, single or double PP strapping for chosen according to machine speed and product demand. Centering mechanism and lifting mechanism, Japan Kawasaki palletizing robot and pallet transport system, computerized set palletizing program according to product size and machine speed. Computerized setup can save order. Maximum speed 250 pieces per minute. Economic speed 150 to 180 pieces per minute. Full realization of intelligent integrated operation. Save labor for mass production order. Greatly improve the production efficiency and lower the cost.